3.3.3 says coordinates of the or calculate the coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonals of parallelogram ACES, where S is a point in the first quadrant. Now these thicker lines are lines that I have added that are parallel to the opposite sides and can help us visualize where point S would be. Now the question is asking for us to get the coordinates of the intersection of diagonals. Now, when diagonals intersect in a parallelogram, it's important to note that they intersect or they bisect when they intersect each other, which means that this one will be equal to that, and the length of this one will be equal to the length of that one. So, using this notion, we can predict that the midpoint will be the intersection of the diagonals. So the where our diagonals intersect, that's where our midpoint also occurs for each of the diagonals. So getting the midpoints of AE will allow us to get the coordinates. So using points A and E, we'll have 12 plus negative 2 over 2, and for the y coordinates would have 0 plus 10 over 2, and then this becomes 12 minus 2 is 10 divided by 2, 5. 0 plus 10 is 10 divided by 2, 5 again. And this makes sense because both of our coordinates are positive, and we know that they told us that S is a point in the first quadrant, and hence the midpoint, as you can visually see from the schedule, though it's not drawn to scale and you shouldn't always use this to check whether your answer is correct. It can be a measure of assurance that what you did is correct if in this case both your answers are positive.